Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the tools you need. Enable developer options, then turn on USB debugging so your PC can talk to the phone. Install ADB and Fastboot on your computer and confirm connection with the DB devices. If it doesn't show, toggle debugging and replug. Once done, backup important files quickly. You will need a stable battery and cable to proceed. Make sure to use a direct USB port. Avoid hubs, because unstable connections break the recovery process. Now you gather and read the evidence. You run a DB bug report and a DB logcat-D to capture comprehensive logs, and then save them with a clear timestamp so you can track changes. Once you have the files, open them and look for repeated errors, stack traces, or failing services. These point to the root cause. If it's an app, note its package name. If it's a system service, identify the module. This diagnosis guides whether you need an app fix, cache wipe, or firmware reflash. You apply the corrective action based on your diagnosis. If an app caused it, uninstall or install an updated APK. If the system is unstable, back up and reflash the correct stock ROM with MyFlash, following the device-specific fastboot steps. After the fix, reboot and reproduce the issue while collecting a fresh bug report to confirm the problem is gone. If problems persist, do a clean flash and full data wipe, and when stuck, include timestamps in logs and escalate to MIUI support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.